So after Virat Kohli and then Rohit Sharma and now Ravindra Singh Jadeja announcing retirement from the T20 International right after the Cricket World Cup, T20 World Cup concluded. Prime Minister Modi has sent out an immediate special message for Jadeja on the social media site, and I quote it here. You have performed exceptionally as an all-rounder. Cricket lovers admire your stylish stroke play, spin and superb fielding. Thank you for enthralling T20 performances over the years. My best wishes for your endeavours. It's very interesting because Prime Minister Modi, remember, they had immediately called up the team members when the World Cup victory had come. And then each one of them that he had mentioned, the top players. Also, now Jadeja gets a special mention from Prime Minister Modi at this point because he's now the third top player to be announcing this specific retirement. Rahul Rawat is joining me for the latest on that. I can tell you that our sports bureau hasn't really had much rest. They've been constantly tracking updates since yesterday evening. Rahul, good evening. How should this Jadeja retirement be seen? Because following in the footsteps of Virat Kohli and Rohit Sharma, he also didn't waste much time, announced it. But what are we expecting here on from the statement and from Jadeja?
Good evening, Pooja. We haven't seen this kind of gesture from a lot of cricketers in the past, winning a World Cup or a trophy as big as the ICC T20 World Cup. And first Virat, then Rohit Sharma, and today Ravindra Jadeja has also announced his retirement from T20 International. A stellar career of 15 years, and it was a matter of time because all these players, they were contemporaries and wanted an ICC trophy, and in fact an ICC World Cup in their cabinet, and that is what happened, what has happened rather. And now as the Prime Minister has been calling up the players, he has sent out congratulatory messages. And as far as Jadeja was concerned, well, it was expected that this could be his last T20 international, but he has formally announced his retirement from T20 international, not waiting for the selectors to make a call on him. That is what has happened, and at least these three players are going on a high. Winning the World Cup, the ultimate dream for any cricketer, any individual, any athlete. And if you see in 2011 into 2007, not a lot of cricketers we saw retired after those two World Cup wins. It was just that the players were phased out. Here, fortunately and very good for them, precisely these three cricketers came out after the debacle in 2022 in Australia to play for this World Cup and to play to win this World Cup, and that has what happened.
That's true. I don't think we've heard of like three top players to be able to take this decision and announcement. And also, remember, in many ways, sending out a message. They bow out, hang their boots in T20 International at a high, and giving way now to the younger players, and appreciation coming in from Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Also, just to give you a background, a side point, that Ravindra Singh Jadeja's wife Ribaba is also an MLA from Gujarat. So there is that connect too. But nevertheless, three top players giving way already to the next generation. Rahul, thank you very much.